Just one day after a national school tragedy where 17 people were shot and killed in Parkland, Florida, flags fly at half-staff across the nation. But the American flag at Hurricane High School in Utah didn't make its half-staff flight Thursday morning.
Sometime after 3 a.m., somebody took down the American flag from in front of Hurricane High School and replaced it with an ISIS flag, and then spray painted "ISIS is coming" on the side of the building.
Despite the incident, school is running as scheduled and officers were on scene Thursday. And the saying inscribed on the wall has been removed.
We don't think that at this time there's any danger at the school. We have a school resource officer who's there every time school's in session. We have investigators that are there following up leads, and we have additional officers there as well.
Officer Thompson said the investigation is now in the hands of investigators and the FBI. While it's not known that this is a legitimate threat of terrorism, Thompson said the American flag was found desecrated.
I don't know where it was found, but the flag was damaged. It was cut several times, slashed.
And those responsible could face serious consequences if found guilty of desecration of the flag. The imposed penalty can be a fine of not more than $1,000 or 1 year in jail or both. This latest incident comes on the heels of another from the same high school that occurred a month ago that also gained national attention.
We had a young lady who was working here in town at a place that has pizza dough, and she made a lasso in jest to be funny and put it around her neck and pretended to be choking, and just thought that was really funny. Well, her friend, when she sent the picture to her friend thought, well, that's really funny, and it's Martin Luther King's Day, and she made a funny comment, she thought, on the bottom of that. Well, that ended up being shared by some other people who then shared it on Facebook, and that went national, and then it went worldwide. And the FBI did interview the gals. They were suspended because they broke the code of honor for the high school. So there are tough consequences that can have long-term and lasting effects, even from little simple things.
While it may have been meant as a joke, this latest incident is more brazen. The flag that replaced the American flag is currently being held as evidence.
I don't know where this particular one came from. It could have been homemade, it could have been bought on the internet. I was told this morning you can actually buy these flags on Amazon, and I wasn't aware of that.
Officer Thompson said if you see something, say something.
Well, hopefully it is just a hoax, but we're taking it seriously and investigating it, trying to find out who did it to make sure that that's all it is. Anybody that has any information, call the dispatch center at 435-627-4999, and dispatchers will get you in touch with one of our officers.
From Hurricane, Melissa Anderson, CEC News.